Hello friend, today I will discuss the first part of number system. The first topic is review of representation of natural number. Before we go through this topic, review of representation of natural number, we need to know what does natural number mean. Answer: positive integer or non-negative integer. We know 0, 1, 2, 3, 9 are integer, but 0 does not have positive value. So 0 is not natural number. Natural number is denoted by n. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, infinity. Here n is equal to natural number. Or n is called counting number. Now know the second topic, integer. What does integer mean? Answer: an integer is a number that can be written excluding fractional component. For example, 6, 10, 20, 9 are integer, while minus 2.01, 2.03, root 3, 5.10 are not. Now one question that is 0 an integer? Answer: yes. The set of integers consist of 0. Now the third topic is rational number on number line. Before we go through this topic, rational number on number line, we have to know what is called rational number and what is number line. The first question, what does rational number mean? Answer, fractional p by q of two integers where p is numerator and denominator q is not equal to 0. It may be maybe 1. For example, 0, 2, 9, 1 by 2, 20 by 9 and so on. Now one question is 0 a rational number? Answer, we know p by q equal to rational number. If 0 is a rational number, then p by q equal to 0, p equal to 0 into q equal to p equal to 0. Hence, q is a non-zero integer. So 0 is a rational number. Now know number line. What does number line mean? Answer, a number line can be defined as a straight line with number place at equal interval along its length. Now we will go through a number line. Now notice this number line. See here, numbers decrease right to left, this side, and notice here number increase left to right. In a number line, to get a point from a particular point, if you want to get a point in right side, then need to add 1, and if you want to get a left side point from a particular point, you need to minus 1. And so notice here between 0 and 1. To get this point, need to minus 1 from 0, so this is 1. To left side, minus will be increases. Now come to know the main topics. Rational number on number line. Notice here have 4 marble, and suppose Ram has taken 1 marble from here, means Ram has taken 1 part from the 4 part. Okay, and so how to write this rational number in number line? See here, the parts are 4. The 4 parts are here. So here 0 and here 1. Divided this space in 4 point. See, Ram has taken 1 part from 4 part. That means Ram has taken from 0 to this point, means 1 upon 4. If Ram has taken 2 marble, then Ram has taken from 0 to this point, 2 point. Here 2 upon 4. If Ram has taken 3 part, means 3 marble, means Ram has taken 0 to here. This is 3 upon 4. If Ram has taken 4 marble out of 4, then Ram has taken from 0 to here, means 4 upon 4. Means Ram has taken all the part. Ram has taken all the marble, means Ram has taken the one set of marble, means this 1. 4 by 4 is 1. This is called the rational number on number line. I hope the video is helpful, and if the video is helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and press the bell button so that get the next video notification.